Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to dive into insert a node at a specific position in a linked list. So in this problem, we receive as input a linked list which is like this, and then you receive a node, not a node like the value of the node, and a position. And you're supposed to insert at that position this node in the linked list and return the new linked list. So let's say I'm having this, for instance. This is actually my linked list, and then if I add position to this node, this is what I will have. So from this, the first remark you can do is that if you want to insert a node in a linked list at a given position, the element you need to find is the element that will be act like the parent of the node. I mean, like the element before that node. So you need to find this. And what will happen if you want to insert position 0? Then you don't have a predecessor, so that's an edge case. How are you going to handle that? So if the position is actually 0, you're just going to make the node pointing to the head of the previous linked list. Otherwise, you find the element at position -1, and then you make now that element pointing to the new node and making the new node pointing to this element. So let us code that and see what it will look like. So we first need to create our linked list here, our new node. That will take new of this. So this is done. We have our new node. So now we need to check if the position is actually equal to 0. Then we handle that edge case that we're talking about, which is just making the new node dot next to equal to the list, and you just return the new node, and that is all. Now otherwise you need to loop and finding position -1. So you need to add y position -1. You just need to you just need to make position minus minus, and then you just need, after this, you need to update. In fact, you need to have an element that will loop through your linked list. So you have an head here, and then you need to loop until you find the position -1. So for that, I first need to have a current here, so which is going to be like this. I will call it cur. That will take Alice, and then I just need to make what to cur the next, and then after this, at the end of this, this one is going to, in fact, the cur is going to be at the position -1. That means it's going to be at the node that will act like the parent of the node I want to insert. So it's going to be something like this. And the one thing you need to, like, if I directly make this one pointing to this, I will lose the fact that this one is pointing to this. So I will lose all of the rest of the node. What you should do first is making the new node pointing to this. So what does that mean? That means I need to make something like new node dot next will be equal to cur dot next, and only after this that I should make cur dot next now pointing to new node. And after this, I just need to return my else. I will still return the head of a linked list, the linked list, because I want to return all the linked lists. Okay, so let us run this and see what it gives. So this is my approach of solving this. I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to give me any input. I'll be really happy to interact with you regarding this. See you on the next video. Ciao.